friends, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have another mystery box. This is the Cupcake Sprinkles mystery box from Cricut. Again, if you're seeing this and it was just released, quickly click the link below. It is an affiliate link, no cost to you, but click the link below. It's available in US and Canada, and get your very own, and then come back and check it out. There is a Cricut Cutie, so you do have to have Cricut access to purchase it, but if you're not an access member, now's a good time to start a trial. So definitely click the link and check it out. I don't know what's inside, but I do know there's a cutie, so let's see what's inside. Again, Cupcake Sprinkles. So Cupcake Sprinkles to me are like pink and pastels and these colors. Oh my goodness. This is a huge pack. This is a 30 pack of R40 cards, insert cards. Gigantic. Tulip, powder blue, whispering blue, and lavender. That definitely screams Cupcake Sprinkles to me. Okay, sorry. Before we go any further, Cutie. Let's see. She is in the color Chartreuse. Ooh. See. Whoo-hoo! Look at that. This is definitely a new one, and they've been doing a lot of matte. Looks shiny, but it's a lot more matte. Is that proper English? It's pretty matte compared to their not matte. What's the opposite of matte? Compared to their other ones. I don't know if you can tell the difference in that. This one is shiny, normal. This one is matte finish, but of course the light makes it harder. Anyways, matte chartreuse color. So very cute. Definitely one of a kind. We don't have anything close to this, or I don't have anything close to this. There might be some from before my time as getting these, because I didn't always get these little cuties, right? So anyways, Chartreuse. She's adorable. Is that Chartreuse? We'll call her Char for short. Okay. Anyways, what else is inside? We also have an extra large V-neck by Cricut. I don't know if the V-necks do, but I noticed some of the other t-shirts run a little bit small. So just remember that, and maybe that's just me, but yeah, that's it. Then we have Cricut Glitter Iron-On in the color pink. That is gorgeous. Perfect for the V-neck. Then we have a LightGrip mat. Put that aside. And then last, oh my gosh, this is huge. 15 feet of removable vinyl mats. Let's see what color. I'm sure it says, but I want to see. Ooh, gorgeous. So this is the color Teal. 15 feet of teal. Now, do you have an idea of what I should make with this? Let me know in the comment box below. I don't know, but I'm gonna get creative. So let's see what I come up with. Of course, let me know what you think in the comment box below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will play a video next of whatever I decide to create, and a little bit of music. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.